Hey nail addicts, let's paint bubbles. I'm using a baby blue gel polish for the base, and I'm going in with the shade Baby Doll and creating a sideways oval for the head. Next, using your favorite yellow gel polish, we're gonna draw out her bangs and fill them in. At the top of her head on both sides, you're gonna draw out some hair, and then we're moving on to the eyes. Using whiteout gel polish, I'm just gonna get the outline of her eyes and go ahead and fill that in. Using a slightly darker blue, we're gonna go ahead and get the inner part of her eyes, doing some half circles. So I forgot to record this part, but I added a little body using that same blue underneath her head and adding a leg that extends right below that. You're gonna draw a small oval to the left of that leg and add an arm on each side of the head. Load your brush for a fine line and go ahead and outline both of the eyes. Then you can go ahead and fill in the eyes. Go ahead and save this, you guys, because I guarantee people are gonna want this design once you've mastered it. You're gonna outline the bangs and then go ahead with a bolder line and outline her whole head. Everything you outline on the outside of this character should all be the same line weight. That just means the same thickness of the line throughout the whole design. That's gonna guarantee that your nail art comes out looking crisp and sharp. Invest in a good black liner gel so you don't have to go over the same line twice. And now we're moving on to the mouth. Using my 9mm liner brush, I want to get the thinnest lines that I can for this tiny little mouth. Fill in the mouth with some black gel polish and finish off her tongue with some pink. Now we're gonna do a little bit of swoops for her shoes. Fill it all in, leaving a little white detail on her shoes. Grab you a dotting tool. That's all you need to make you some perfect circles. Finish her off. She's looking all sweet. Finish it with some matte top coat. And look at this. Got you with bubbles. You painted that shit. Who should we paint next?